Hey everybody, it's Dave and Fozzie. And yesterday afternoon, when the chaos of the day was conspiring to make me late for my volunteer shift at the hospital, I was thinking about how I've been talking a lot on here about stress and how we're always in charge of how we deal with it. So today, for Thankful Thursday, I'm thankful that pretty much all my stress these days are the day-to-day little things that have been relatively easy for me to handle. So on one hand, all stress sucks, and I'm not going to downplay anyone's problems, including my own. But on the other hand, my main issue is that I'm really busy at work. And look, that's a real thing. But it's also, I'm less than 40 months removed from the doctor putting his arm around Jean and telling her to prepare for the worst. And as hectic as my days are, leukemia and chemo and graft versus host disease, it's just not a part of them right now. And I feel very lucky that when I start to spin out a little bit, it's been pretty easy for me to regain some perspective and to reset and to just get a good handle on things right away. So we all have our own version of what constitutes big problems and what constitutes little problems, and we all have our own ways of dealing with them. But something that we all have in common is that every one of us deserves a moment of peace and to be smiling at least for a little while, regardless of what else is going on around us. And whatever effort that it takes to try and make those things happen, it is always worth it. So thank you for taking it all in stride with us this morning, and have a thankful Thursday.